Thank you.
Okay, it's sharp 7. We'll start now. Okay. Um, Thank you so much, guys. We'll exactly start right now. For whoever is joined and people who want to join later can continue. So, for people who do not know me, my name is Sonia Singh, and I have a company in the name of Searching Paradise, where my goal is to search paradise for everyone, for their own version of paradise, and find happiness. And so we are doing this 5 day seminar where we will be discussing on different topics. So the topics will be goal setting as we discussed yesterday. So that was the first topic. And then today we have the discussion on decision making. And we will also talk about emotional standards and your own personal standards. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about emotions and there is relationship management after that, and then we'll close it finally. So are you guys ready? Are you guys all set from yesterday's session and today's session? Somebody can just unmute and say.
Yes, I am.
Great. Okay, so we'll start with today's presentation now. We can close this. Is of no use. So everybody can see the presentation, right? Okay, great. So today's discussion, as I said, it will be about decision making and standard setting. And so the whole topic of discussion is what is decision making? Why is it so important in life? And what is the kind of impact that it has in our life? Is what we want to discuss on. I just want to mute this. I think there's a lot of noise that comes from this. Oh, right. So I'm good to go now. Yeah, so yesterday we had discussed about some kind of goals that we want to set. So I hope personally you would have set some kind of goals for yourself. So it can be related to love, it can be related to money, it can be related to job, it can be related to developing your career, and so on and so forth. So you can have minimum of 3 goals, and you can have as much as goals that you want. So it can be something that you want to buy, also something to do with your health, if you want to lose weight, if you want to gain weight, so on and so forth. So these are some of the goals, and we discussed yesterday as in why we need goal setting. So it gives you a sense of purpose, it gives you a lot of happiness when you have a goal to achieve forward, then rather you look back and then blame all the situations and what's happening in your life. So it is always nicer to have some kind of goals so that your outlook is also positive towards life. You see a lot of people complaining in life saying, I hate my job, I hate this, I hate my partner, I don't have enough money. So there are a lot of negative things that you hear. So it is nothing but the lack of focus, lack of motivation to move forward. So they just want to stay in past and discuss all those same things which is already happening. There is nothing to change forward, and you don't want to get stuck with those people, and you don't want to be among those people. Is that right? Yes, I'm sure you guys will agree with me. So we had discussed about goal setting, why is it important, and what kind of goals can you set. We spoke about smart way of goal setting. So it is specific, measurable, attainable, and it has to be time specific. So these are some of the smart way of setting goals. So when you have written it down as to what do you want to achieve, by when do you want to achieve, and what will it look like, the another aspect, so the best way of setting goal, okay, and the best way of achieving goal is, I had discussed yesterday. Who remembers it? Can somebody tell me? I discussed it today also in the video I had spoken about. Who would like to tell me? Mariam, Faisal, who would like to?
Madam, I am first attending today.
Okay, you're first. Yes. So for you, I will tell you again now. And for people who are aware, I'm sure you guys are resonating with it. So I say it's not about goal. It is not about goal, but it is the kind of person that you have to become to achieve that goal. Okay. So let's just say if I want to lose weight. Okay, let's just say my goal is to lose weight. So I have to become a sort of person who eats healthy, who has to go to gym, at least go for running and some kind of exercises that I have to do. So I have to become that sort of person. I cannot remain the same and eat junk food at the same point of time and not give attention to my health and expect the goals to come. So that's why people keep complaining, I tried it, I did so and so, I tried it once and it didn't happen. So you will see a lot of people, complaining like that, but they don't understand that for achieving a goal, it is actually about becoming that sort of person. So if you want to become a writer, what do? You write. That's all. That's all you have to do. It doesn't have to be that you have to be good or bad. You just have to start writing. Good, bad part will come later. But we don't do that. So you will say that from first moment, I want to be perfect. So I want to write a book, but I'm not willing to write something because I may not be perfect. I don't know how to write. I don't know English. Maybe I have never taken a course. I don't know any writers in my friend circle also, and so on and so forth. And you will dump that idea in garbage. So that has gone to waste. Then you will think about something else. Then you will say, okay, if not that, then I will, what will I do? Then I'll start gym. Maybe if not gym, then you will go for 5 days and then you will leave because your past was very convenient for you. You will get into bad relationships like that. That's how toxic relationship also happens. So what will you do? You say you want a secure partner, you say you want a healthy relationship, but what will you do? You'll end up doing the same thing. You'll blame them, you'll be jealous of it, and you will never change. And they will leave you or you will leave them because of your past habits. So basically what is happening is you're not changing. So you have to become that sort of person who can achieve that goal, and eventually you will achieve it. Over a period of time when you've given, you will achieve it. Correct? Am I
Yeah.
making sense?
Yeah, yes. Consistency is very important.
Sorry?
Consistency work is
Yes,
most important.
consistency is also very important because if I change today, okay, let's just say if I change today and tomorrow I go back to the same person, then eventually I have not changed. Then second thing that I have to do, okay, second thing that I spoke about is shit sandwich that you're willing to eat. So everything comes with a cost. Okay, everything comes with cost in life. Whether you give the cost in maybe money, you give it in sense of your time. Maybe you have to put in a lot of work, you have to put in a lot of hours, and so on and so forth. For everything, you have to put a lot of effort. Okay, so what is it? So it's not like you think that you'll have money and then you will achieve this goal, or you will say that now this is lockdown and I will eat a lot of things and I will put on weight. Or maybe when you want to gain weight, okay, so I know a lot of people, and when I go to gym I see a lot of thin skinny guys, and there was this guy who kept asking, how can you develop abs? By just exercising abs. That's all you have to do. You don't have to know rocket science. You don't need a personal trainer. You don't need anything for that matter. All you need to do is find out how to do it and do it. That's all. So what do you have to do? You have to go through crunches, you have to go through time, and he has to figure out a certain diet that he has to take to put on that weight and look like a certain way. That's all. There is no rocket science in knowing it. But you have to give up. What does he have to give up? He has to give up Netflix, maybe because you have to sleep on time. You have to give up pizzas and Coke and all these things to get into that shape. If you want to earn money, okay, you have to stop watching Netflix and Prime videos, and now Mirzapur has come, so everybody wants to watch it. So you have to give up all these things and you have to go read. If you want to pass a certain exam, okay, you want to clear any of the government exams, let's just say, what do you have to do for that? You have to give up what is not serving you and you have to look into the part. So you have to stay away from your friends maybe for some time and then put into that hard work. So that's the shit sandwich that you're willing to eat. So that becomes your favorite flavor. So you have to figure out, what am I willing to give up for attaining this goal? So it's not always that you have to take. You have to give something out also at the same point of time. Then the next thing that what happens is, we all have this story Okay, so you always say that I have always been like that, I will always remain like this, and this is who I am. But it is just a story that you've made up. So if you keep saying this is who I am, this is who I am, then eventually you will not become that sort of person. Correct? Because if to achieve that goal, as I said previously, you have to become that sort of person. But if you keep holding on to your past, then that somewhere is a problem, and then that will always be a problem in your life. If I have to say, I have always been a toxic person, I am so jealous, I am like this, I am very possessive. If you keep holding on to it, you will have bad relationship. And if you want to work on self love also, yesterday we were discussing a lot about self love, which our day third, I think we are discussing tomorrow on self love a lot, and for, in a great discussion, in like bigger platform. But if you want to have self love, first what do you have to do? You have to stop talking shit about yourself. You have to stop putting yourself down. That's the first thing that you have to do, and from there you can start. So you have to figure out, what am I doing right now, and what is the sort of person that I have to become. So you have to change your story like that, and then finally you are taking actions. That's all. That's easy. And that is how goal setting works. There is no rocket science, but hard work. That's all. You have to work, think. You have to work. That's all you have to do. So today's topic is actually even more deeper. So it's not just goal, but there is one more factor, actually two factors which come into play. Okay, and what are those two factors? Is decision making. So when you make a decision, then your life will start changing. Okay, everybody knows this. Okay, I don't want to like give you a new sort of gyan into it. Second thing is standard setting. These are important topics that we will be discussing. Okay, so can everybody just switch on their camera by any chance? If you guys are alone, I mean, you're not into outside and traffic and everything. Will it be possible for you guys? People who are sitting alone and they kind of like just focusing on this work. Hi, Shabaz.
I am eating. Good morning. Hi all.
You're eating. I'm so sorry. ठीक
No,
है.
no, it's okay.
Who else can do it, please? I want to do an activity actually. And I want people to really participate. There is no judgment which is happening. So please don't be shy. Yaar. This is such a fun thing that I want to tell you right now. Just two people, yeah.
No problem. Other people
And
having some their own
Vishwesh is also there. Hi,
limitations.
Vishwesh. Oh no.
Hello.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. No problem.
मैं 2 मिनट में करती हूँ ना, वो कनेक्ट हो रहा है एक्चुअली.
अच्छा
आप स्टार्ट करो. हाँ, आप स्टार्ट करो, वो कनेक्ट हो रहा है.
Okay, so something that I want to do is I want you to do one push-up right now. One push-up. Who can do it?
I'm not doing. I'm
Like a
eating.
wall push-up. Okay, I will not give you like a lot of things, but just do like a wall push-up, like this. That's all. Like this. Who can do it?
Imagine it. Okay.
You're
Emoji.
eating, so who can do it otherwise? No. Okay, I'll tell you this.
फैसल भाई लड़की को मना नहीं करते. Do push up.
Okay,
Okay, Faisal
you,
done.
okay.
I do the
said,
sitting push-up.
Now, okay, chalo. You don't want to do it, fine. It's okay. You try it when you're done with this presentation, and then I will tell you the science behind it. Why did I ask you? Okay, so it's the sudden of the movement that I want you to have. So I can give you all of this. Okay, I can give you from basic neuroscience to all the physics that you need in the world. I can give you all the gyan of people who have lived for 80 years, and they can give you like the absolute truth of life. We can teach you everything in the life, in everything that exists. Okay, you can learn everything, but if you don't imply it, what happens? Nothing happens. You remain the same. You remain that constant. Hi, Deepika. So you remain constant. Correct? It is true. So I
Yes.
knew what to do, I know how to do, but I am not doing it because I'm not deciding as yet. I have not made that decision. So there can be only two ways in life. Either you decide this, either you decide that. So not making a decision is also a decision. Correct? Agree with me?
Right. Yes, yes, right.
Yes. So we always say, so when I ask someone, so this is my funda of life. I'm very true that when I ask someone, okay, can you do this for me? And they're like, let me think about it. And that's when I know that their decision is no, and that is their decision. So if you can't choose something, you've chosen not to choose. And that's a big way to look at. So always see that when you're not able to decide, you've already decided not to have that. And why does it happen? Simply because there are a lot of factors to decision making. So ultimately, so I'll tell you very honestly, I had this idea. When I wanted to do this company, I wanted to build it up, and I wanted to serve people. I had this idea in 2017. And I knew everything. I was a life coach back then. Okay, I had studied, I knew everything, I had all the energy, I had all the ideas of what I wanted to do. You know what I did? I didn't do anything. I remained the same. I was doing the same thing that I wanted to do. I was still drinking. I was still going out. I was still partying. I was not doing anything in my life. I didn't even lose weight. That's the funny part. Because I know everything and I was not doing anything. Why? Because I decided not to do anything. That's all. And that's a crazy thing to know, that you know a lot of things. You are not living up to your potential. You will agree with me on this 200% that what you know and what you're doing right now is completely two different things. You can do better. You know this factor. It's not just some rocket science I'm speaking of. You know your potential, okay? From deep down, you know uh, that it is not your true potential of what you can do, but you've just decided not to act upon it. And there are a lot of factors. I understand. I'm okay with that. I understand that you are not doing it because there are a lot of things to it. People, I can see a lot of faces smiling. I'm sure you guys agree with me on this. Correct? Yeah? Give me a thumbs up, okay? I want to know who agrees with me. Who else? Okay, one, two. Okay. Yes. See, I know. See, that's what is happening. Sub, everybody knows, okay? There is in Hindi, I don't know, for my people who are listening in different countries, they will not understand this. I'm sorry for using Hindi, but here we have this saying that ज्ञान सबके पास है, use कोई नहीं करना चाहता. Correct है ना? So basically in English means you have all the knowledge, it's just that you don't want to use it. So I will teach you now. I taught you something yesterday, and I will teach you something now. I'll teach you for 3 more days. But the question is, will you do it? Will you decide? Will you consciously put the effort to make some changes? And if you don't, then I can't really do anything, I can't do much.
Sonia, I can say self-help is most important. Only we can help the same person.
Yes, exactly. I would say that, and I truly believe it. Okay, I am very independent. I have been independent in my life, and there is nothing that I can teach. I just can teach one skill, is to be independent. That's all you need to learn. That's all you need to know. So this is my set for today. Okay, this is how we will carry on today. So you have to make a decision. If you're not making a decision, please know you're doing the biggest mistake of your life. And when you're not making a decision, also you've made a decision to not make decisions. You just want to stay the same. You just want to complain. You just want to, crib about it. You're just so happy and comfortable with that situation. And you just kind of hope that one day it'll be okay. And you don't know when that one day will come.
Sonia, in recent study, can I say something?
Yes, please. Yes.
In recent study, I explored 3 measured market decisions. है ना? अभी अगर हम लोग डिसीजन मेकिंग का कर रहे हैं, तो मैंने इसके ऊपर एक आर्टिकल भी किया था. That's why I want to share कि एक कस्टमर डिसीजन था, एक बिजनेस डिसीजन था और एक पर्सनल डिसीजन था. These these three decisions are playing major role in the society, in the market. Am I right? Okay,
Yes.
please continue.
Okay. You can see the screen till now, no? This presentation wala screen only, right?
Yes.
Okay, you can see the screen because yesterday I messed it up and nobody told me. And I found out much later and I was so embarrassed.